guys, another video here. As you can see, another traffic video, or how to drive like a smart person instead of a rear end. You know what I mean. Here we just passed the first entrance that causes a traffic jam on this particular stretch of the I-4, and after we went through it, it's still a traffic jam. And again, that's because there's another entrance, relatively close to the previous one. This one is a double lane entrance. That means there's an exit, there's an entrance, and everyone's taking 2 lanes, and so you have double the trouble. And basically, this you will see after we pass this intersection, and then there's another one right after a small overpass that's occurring right up ahead there. There's another entrance after that overpass. So you have basically 3 entrances relatively close to each other. Again, in Florida, there's no such thing as close. Everything it's quite a distance, but in highway terms, it is close. And that helps exacerbate the traffic jam. Of course, people being people, it's a nice way to say stupid, I guess. I don't know. I'd rather say stupid. Again, they jam up. They don't allow people in, as you see that I'm doing. What's the problem? Why is it? Am I getting shorter now that I let someone ahead? My goodness, Lord, God forbid. So, people now, they're shuffling, they're able to move. Don't crowd in too much now. Let's give us some breathing room, fellows. And so basically, what I expect to see, and I think what you guys always see, is that after you pass this intersection and entrance to the highway and exit issue, usually it clears up and you go back to the speed limit and beyond for some of you, and there's no accident. There is no cars, stopped in the off the side to keep people going slow to see what's happening. There's usually no cop pull somebody over, and you guys are looking like that's your business. It's usually what is the usual problem? Nothing. Just simply people being impolite, not courteous. Not allowing other drivers that are trying to come in because for some reason you feel that you have to maintain a appearance of being ahead on the highway. You have to be up in front. You can't be behind anything, and you always need to be the cause of a traffic jam instead of the solution. I'm glad to be part of the solution, not the cause of a traffic jam. And of course, as you see, the big benefit of this is that I don't suffer traffic jams. It doesn't matter to me. I have, of course, to help me out, the best music ever composed, J.S. Bach. And simply, I don't see if anyone cannot be at ease with so-called music that they hear. It doesn't give you ease and allow you to drive calmly and safely. I don't think that's good music. Simply, I don't see the evidence. My music is wonderful. It's calming. It's just the best music ever, and that's why I'm able to reason and think, and above all, to be courteous to my fellow drivers and give them some slack. This is all that's needed to get rid of this traffic jam, because there's really no accident, but there's a lot of people who want to cause them. You see these guys? See, look, they're obviously breaking the law, traffic law. They're not supposed to be in that area, but yet they're there. And see, why are they there? Because they don't like the traffic. And what do? They cause the very problem they don't like. And and the worst of it all is when they cause an accident, then we really have a big piece of doo-doo blocking up the pipes. And the big piece of doo-doo comes from small doo-doos that are doing the wrong thing. Okay, that's enough for now. Bye-bye.